Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your May 2021 predictions and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so just let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start with some guidance energies, some guidance card from my Moonology deck over here. Let's see what's there for my Cancers in the month of May. Some guidance card for my Cancer in the month of May. We have emotions are running high, super moon. So super moon just left us like 4 to 5 days back. Super moon in Scorpio was there. Well, wow. So your emotions might be, you might feel a lot of, you might sometimes feel emotional so much that whatever situation is around you, you might feel that you are really getting too much involved in something. Sometimes small things matter, so that is why you might be even analyzing a lot of situations in a deeper level, like small things, just taking care of small things, and at least just changing all your emotions and changing all your energies because of these small, not even important things. So just take care what you are actually looking towards. Okay, let's see one more guidance card for you. Let's check one more guidance card for you. For my Cancer, one card for my Cancer, please. Ground and center is the card for you in the month of May. So it means that you might be feeling a lot of emotional. So there are water and earth energies both. So it means that you might be feeling, your emotions might be running high. You might be feeling like, sometimes you might be feeling like crying, sometimes you might be feeling like laughing, something like that. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you are sad, sometimes you're angry, sometimes you're frustrated. So these things will happen. So how to take care of these things? You have to ground and center your energies towards it. Take care of yourself. You have to not let your emotions go into some bad level. Okay, so these are the energies for you. Let's get started with your tarot. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to see your past, present and future energies over here. For my Cancer, please. For my Cancer, what are the past, present and energies and future energies for my Cancer? Past energies. Okay. Okay, a lot of Wands energy in the coming future. So overall energy is the 2 of Cups in your reading, Cancer. So this might be somebody, some person, you might be feeling very this might be a connection, heart to heart connection. It can be in the month of May. You might be meeting someone new, or this can be some good relationship bonding between two people. Okay, a good connection I'm seeing in the month of May. That's your overall energy. So your past energies are 7 of Pentacles, King of Swords and 4 of Pentacles. Okay, a decision making has been done in the past. Well, you have achieved a lot of success from that decision making. Okay, in the past things went good for you because you are good at decision making. Whatever decision you have made long back or anytime, it has given you growth in your life. But you are still holding on to something. This decision, you are holding on towards it. You are just if you're not happy with that decision making, you have taken the decision making, it served you fine, it served you good, well, okay, fine, it was taken long back, it gave you a lot of growth, stability in life, taught you many things, but fine, it's gone. Okay, now you have to move on as well. So I don't know, it was like you were holding on to that past, to that thing for a really long time. In your present, your Ace of Cups is there, Three of Swords and the Fool. So in the present as well, you are making that an issue. Don't make your past an issue, because somebody is here in around you, Cancer. Don't bring your past, your bad past, in your good future, in your good present. Do not bring that past. If the risk is involved in the life, just go and take that risk, because that is what life is all about, taking risks. Okay, in the future we have Page of Wands, Ace of Wands and Four of Wands. See such a beautiful energy in the coming future. Ace of Wands with the Four of Wands, a lot of love, passion, passionate energy is there, marriage energies are there. So it's looking to me that, you know, reunions are there. So you are getting creative, your mind is becoming innovative. So you do not just leave your heart, you know, do not just be in your emotions every time. Your emotions are running high, but fine, do not just enter into that energy always. Just try to release yourself from the bad past and try to enter in towards a good future, because you have something good in front of you. You might not be able to see it right now, but it is good. Okay, so let me clarify this energies. Okay, let me see. Why is the overall energy as Two of Cups over here? Four of Swords here. You are becoming silent towards that energy. Something is coming towards you. Something good is there. Your heart is telling you to just go with the flow. Be happy. It's all about your happiness. But your mind is telling you to stop. No, do not take any action. Just wait for some time. No. Coming from the heart, but your heart, from your mind, but your heart wants to go towards this connection. This is a new connection I'm seeing, Cancers, for you. Okay. Seven of Pentacles, King of Swords and Four of Pentacles. What are the energies? What cards are there for these cards? Yeah, this thing has given you a lot of mental tension, mental issues. So Five of Swords is here. So this thing has given you a lot of tensions in your mind, you know. Somebody might be even putting thoughts in your mind, because this might be you, because I'm seeing that this might be self-sabotaging as well. You might be just not want to listen to other people, some other good thoughts which are coming towards you. No, all your mind is going towards the negative first. Why the present energies are coming as the Ace of Cups with the Three of Swords and the Fool? Okay, so Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups is here again. So this new connection is actually coming up with a beautiful, you know, beautiful things are coming towards you, Cancer. Do not just hold on to your past situation for all these things. Let me clarify. Page of Pentacles with the Queen of Swords. Okay, so I think your energy is drastically changed. You were very creative in past. You were a person who was not very mature. You were always, you know, lively kind of a person, always enjoying the life as it is coming up. Reading, writing, you might be loving. You might love craft and all. Okay, but this bad past made you a very strong person. This bad past made you someone who can, you know, this lady, Queen of Swords, she does not listen to anyone. She is very cold-hearted. So this thing you became a cold-hearted queen, cold-hearted person after this loss which you have seen, after the problem which you have seen, the decision making which you have done. You are not very happy, but you know, just being there, just holding on to that past won't help you. Okay, let's see the present with the Ace of Cups, more energies. Okay, so universe is trying to send you something good. You know, manifestation is there, a good manifestation. So you might be manifesting for good love, some you know, good love with beautiful thoughts, something like that you might be manifesting. You know, self love you might be manifesting, so this might be a lot of self love because of the bad past which you have seen. So that is why you are going away from the regret position, that you might even regret taking those bad decisions, but you are trying really hard. And with the Magician and Ace of Cups, I truly believe that you are also into some kind of self love nowadays. Self love, wow, very good, very beautiful energy, Cancer. A Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Four of Wands. Let's see overall energy for these three cards. Wow, Page of Wands again. Yeah, you are entering into this new situation, and this will become very stable after a while. You will see that stability because you are becoming a new version of yourself, Cancer, in the coming future. Things are really positive which are coming towards you. So I feel that you might be starting some new business, some kind of a new innovation which is going on in your mind, and you are working for that, because since the Ace of Wands is not alone, it has come up with the Ace of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. So it looks to me like the idea, the innovations are there in your mind, and you are going to start with it. Okay, it's not just in your mind, you are going to put them into actions as well. So that is all from my side, Cancer. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.